Anytime.
Wala na.
Diretso mo. Sige na.
Emote mo na. Nawala.
Ayan na yung makulit. Ayan na naman yung makulit. Ako rin.
Ano ba? Di ako mako-emote na. Time out. Wait lang.
Ay, wala. Ayun.
Malamig.
Tapos bigyan mo ng Best Actress Award.
Tropang Lapides, mga Pexters, Kultang Jaros, and the Makulit. Hello everybody. Sorry, medyo sleepy na ako kasi ang dami namin kinain. Tinama. Ayan, tinata. Nandyan si.
Hindi na
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede sabihin. Andyan si Mami Bless. Si Ma'am C nandyan. Nasa kasi Lola Tin. Ay, Ate Tin pala. Lola Tin ni Maha. Ate Tin ni...
Denny.
Ito. Ayan si Lola, Mami Tin. Ito yung ginawa ko kanina. Ayan. Kasing laki na. Anyway, thank you for everything. Ay, tinanasan pa ako. Ayan, nandungis ko kasi. Thank you for everything. Tinan nyo, first stuffed toy ko ever galing kay Ate Tin. Kasi galing siyang Hong Kong. Anyway, enough of the small talk. I just want to say thank you for everything and everything and ever and ever. Alam mo, yung nagpapaning yung camera. Ayan. Yung parents ko, they wanna thank you all kasi pinakita ko yung mga artwork na ginawa niya sa PEX. And my dad said nga, ang gagaling niya talaga daw. And minsan lang magsabi na magaling ang daddy ko. So, congrats. Ang gagaling niya talaga. And thank you because you bring warmness to my heart every time na sobrang down na ako dahil sa mga peer pressures and all the hard work I'm doing. It pays off because of you guys, I promise. And you guys bring a smile to my face. Alam yan nila, Momski and Ate Tin, I cry sometimes, but because when I see you guys, you know, writing about the stuff I do, that really makes it all worthwhile. God bless you all. And, wait, may surprise ako para sa inyo for Christmas. So, watch out. You better be nice because I'm checking my list twice. Bye.
Anytime.
Kids, do not try this at home. We are locked in Trinoma. Now you see me, now you will not. Just kidding, no. Double hand cartwheel and after single. Watch. Wait lang. Double. And then single. Watch. One hand, okay. Other one, here.
Wow!
And then wait, there's more. Since we're locked in Trinoma anyway.
Alam ko yata yan. Sabayan kita. Sabihin mo nawawala tayo. We're lost.